24. But then again, I also want to take this opportunity to say hi to our viewers po na nanonood ng live stream. Please don't forget to follow MGI page, guys, for more updates and all the events that is upcoming very, very soon. So now I want to call back on stage the cast, of course, of the Petrichor series, Eva, Charlotte, Mina, and Lynn. Well, actually, now it is time for us to dive in a little bit naman po into the series and unlocking some mysteries behind the scenes.
ในการเป็นตำรวจเนี่ยค่ะก็เราก็ดีใจที่หลายๆคนเปิดใจที่จะเห็นเราในมุมมองของการเป็นตำรวจในเรื่องนี้ด้วย
It's very challenging and at the same time I'm just very happy to play in this role. And thank you all you guys also that you opened for me to play the part of the police at the first time that I played. Thank you so much for that. But wow, like when the series gets started, I just have to say I feel very stressed because I don't know how it's gonna come out. Is everyone gonna like it? Is it gonna be fun? But right now it's the final EP. I see everyone so happy and always waiting till like Saturday to watch the series. It just makes me feel fulfilled with love and always feel like there's people always supporting my fans and also new fans from the series too. So I feel that this challenge makes me kind of like grown up, not a bit, but like kind of grown up.
No, but I know we got a little more closer. The bond get a little more closer. The friendship keeps on growing, and maybe there's more relationship. That's actually the bond of MGI sisters also. Yeah, but there can be more. Okay, let's head to another question. Well, this question is for Eva. Okay. So, your character is the leader type, very badass and dedicated. But when it comes to someone she likes, she becomes awkward. I saw it. And in real life, would you say you are similar in this regard? Have you been awkward like this with someone?
จะเป็นคนที่เป็นผู้นำเป็นแบดแอสก็คือเป็นคนที่โหดเป็นคนที่ทุ่มเทแต่เวลาที่คุณมีความรักคุณเป็นลักษณะผู้ชายแล้วก็เหมือนกับเราเป็นคนที่คุณรักเขาก็เลยอยากจะทราบว่าแล้วในชีวิตจริงอ่ะคุณทำอย่างนี้กับใครหรือเปล่าคุณเป็นอย่างนี้กับใครหรือเปล่าถ้ามีแฟนก็เป็นgirlfriend yes
If we see Eva being awkward, then someone she likes might be somewhere just here. But she didn't answer that question like directly. She said yes. Did I say it right? Okay. Okay na kayo? Okay na tayo? Yeah? More. Hush! No. Next question is, okay, I know you guys are gonna scream. For sure. I think you should shout back. Okay, so for Charlotte,
their character, Dr. Ron, went through a lot of trauma from the past. And up until her present, he even got kidnapped and hurt. How did you prepare for such heavy scenes, and how did it feel that there's utensil, your knight in shining armor, ready to save you? ตลอดเวลาที่ได้รับบทหมอรันเนี่ยรู้สึกรันทดมากผ่านความเจ็บปวดต่างๆมากมายตอนนี้มีการเตรียมตัวในการรับบทนี้ยังไงบ้างคะแล้วก็รู้สึกยังไงบ้างที่มีพระเอกขี่ม้าขาวอย่างคุณมาช่วย Well, I have to say that Dr. Ron been through a lot. The way I portray it is I have to say, because everyone knows that I have kind of like a panic attack, right? And some of the scenes I had to use that in real life. It's not good, but if it helps me and it makes the scene like go too fast, I'll do that. But it's not healthy for the mental health, but I know that. So it's not recommended, but it's my type of how I used it. And I feel good when people come and save me, not just in the series. It's good to have someone who always think of you and always keep you safe. Someone who looks after you. Are we feeling killing? Well, I don't know how to describe killing to them. There's no exact word, but because they're saying, oh, eggplant is kinikilig. Kinikilig means it feels like everything is going slow motion. Butterflies in your stomach, all the love. Something like that, is it right? Yes! Oh, I'm good. But Charlotte was saying that sometimes she gets some panic attacks, but she was able to use, I would say maybe that it's a weakness, but she was able to use that or turn that into maybe a power or something that she can use for her character. About them. Tama?